Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I'm back to share my winnings from It's a Deal from Leanna, and she had 3 prizes and you get to choose one of the 3. This was her 5K giveaway, so my option was the letterboard and I won. So let's open it up. See what's inside. I have to cut this open. I'll cut this bad boy open. Yes, it is. There's my letterboard, and it's from the 99-cent only store. Oh my gosh. Okay, I have a card. I have a card. And it's such a pretty card. Look at that with the gold foil. And it says, Eileen, congrats on winning my giveaway and your support. Love, Leanna. It's a deal. That's awesome. So, okay, let me show you. I want to see what comes with it. It's a cute letterboard. So what I liked about it was it's the skinny, rectangular size, and it comes with its own letters and numbers and characters. So that is awesome. And she included, I'm sorry for the noise. These are awesome. Wow. So this one says bless, family, inspire, my. This one has happy and desire. So you got happy on this side and desire on that side. And this one is dream, smile, peace, hope, and home. Pretty cool. And here's more, and it's a different style, size, and font. It says me and you, grateful, thankful hour, blessed, family, memories, love, and home. And then you have like these little photo frames, and these are little paper clips for the push board. So I'm excited to use this in my new craft room once I get moved and settled into our new home. And thank you, Leanna. I really appreciate your giveaway. And I love this prize. It was so awesome of you to give 3 prizes away when you didn't have to. You only had to give 1. Hello, you didn't even have to give any. But I do appreciate it, and I love your channel, girl. So if y'all want to see some great deals, great hauls, Leanna does Dollar Tree hauls and the 99-cent only hauls, and there's other hauls, but she does a whole bunch, and I love it. I love how she does her videos. So go check her out at It's a Deal here on YouTube. And thank you, Leanna, and thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.